How to log out of Waze app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign out or log out of your Waze app. For this, you want to open the Waze application. Now, the Waze app is very helpful. However, sometimes you might want to log out of your account for various reasons. If that is the case, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here you have a list of options. You want to tap on the one that says Settings. Once you are on your settings, you have a bunch of options here as well. Head over to the account section. Here you have two options, account and login and privacy. You want to tap on the account and login option. All the information about your account is displayed on this page. Here you can change your username, password, and much more. You can also log out from this page. For that, tap on the log out option. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the log out option. As soon as you tap on that option, you will be successfully logged out of your Waze app. If you want to log in again, simply tap on the login button and then use your credentials to be logged into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.